All right, we just added the total weight by creating a formula called the relation by multiplying weight and the quantity. So if you have two and the weight of each one is 450, then we multiply by two, and that we're going to get 900. So we basically have more numbers here that's hidden, and we only have 8 decimal places. And the reason behind this one is we don't really know what this weight is all about. We don't know it's pounds or kilograms, whatever. And we will only know that because when we first open up or design the part, we could have designed the material. What kind of material is this? So in this case, it's called FE20. Okay. So if we open a material and go to the design items material, and you can see that this is using an FE20. And if we right click and edit definition, we can see that the density is in ton. So tons for cubic millimeters, and you can change that to grams per cubic centimeters. Okay, or you can have pounds per cubic inch. Okay, so now your weight is in pounds per cubic inch. But you have to do that for all the parts and before you create the table. So in this case, we're just gonna close and let it be. Close this, and these are in tons per cubic millimeters. So the numbers are not set to how we normally understood weight. And we're going to leave that just as it is for now for this discussion. What we're going to focus now is we're going to have Creo add all of the total weights and put the total weight here. So adding the total is called the sum. So the total is based on the quantity times the weight, but we wanted all of the total weights to be added together, and that's called a sum. So we can just go to repeat region. We're going to add a summation, and then we're going to select the region, and then we're going to add. We're going to point to the cells that defines what to add. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to name the symbol for the summation. So we can put in assembly ASSY and then underscore and total underscore weight. This could be any name that you want, but we're going to call it assembly total weight. And then we're going to click OK, and then it's going to ask you here in the bottom, pick a table cell where the summation is replaced, and we're going to put that in this one. So we're going to click that, and it will add everything for us. But why does it show 0? You guess it, because the decimal places is not correct. So we're going to click done here, and then click done here. We're going to select the table or the cell box, and oh, that's not it. We're going to select the bottom here, select that, and then click edit. And then we're going to add the 8 decimal places by adding in a bracket and then 0.8 for 8 decimal places, close the bracket, and click OK. And then it will just update that one. So this would be the total weight. We can change the style or text style of this total by clicking text style here. And then I guess you can change the font by unchecking this one, the height, thickness, and everything. So if you want the thickness, I guess it's bold, you can uncheck the default and you can change that. I don't know if 0.1 is too thick, but let's apply that. It's too thick. So 0.001 and then apply can it's 0.01 then uh, 0.1 is too thick, so 0.05 apply, still too thick, 0.02 apply. There you go. Apply 0.02. You can even change the color if you want. You can click this and then change the color here, primary color, and then click OK, and then apply to change the color. Okay, so you can always change the style, and this is we made it change the thickness and color because it's a total. So click OK, and then we can actually use this blank one to say that this is the total weight. So we can click on this one and then type in total um, assembly total. So ASSEMBLY space total. Okay, and then we can put in sort of an arrow like that. Okay, and then you can also change that style. So simply select this text style, remove this, and what did we put here again? 0.02, apply, and then change the color to this one. Click OK, apply, OK. There you go. So that's how to basically create a summation and then adding some of these text over here. If you zoom in, it's really doesn't look good, and you can always change the font here. Let's try to change the font. Uncheck this one and select a different font here. Uh, I just wanted to make it bold, but I guess I can't. There's nothing here that changes into bold, so we're just gonna select that as it is. Okay. Um, but that's basically how we create the to find the sum or to find the total weight of the assembly by adding a sum of all the total weights of each of these parts. Okay.